I'm going to show you how you can use the task scheduler in Medisoft to set up a schedule for Medisoft to automatically run your eligibility on all of your appointments for 2 days from now. So first you're going to go to the File menu, and you're going to go to Task Scheduler. When the Task Scheduler screen loads, you're going to click the New button to add a new scheduler. So right now I have a backup task running. I'm going to hit New and select Eligibility from the drop-down. Click OK. Select the practice or the account that you want to set the task scheduler up to run. And you're going to log in using your Medisoft login. And whichever login and password you use to set the schedule up, that's the only login and password that can make changes to it. So keep that in mind. In the description, I'll just put eligibility verification check. And it's automatically set up to perform every 1 day, and it will not let you change that. So skip to the time. We don't recommend leaving it at 12 a.m. midnight because most computers run updates at that same time, and it can cause issues with other tasks running. So change this to a time where you do not have an automatic update or where your computer is not set to reboot every night. Usually sometime around 3:30 a.m. is good. You want to do it enough ahead of time so that it's done before your staff get in the office also. And your start date, you just want to click on the drop-down menu and select when you want this to start running for eligibility verification. It automatically defaults to the following day. And then you'll want to select how many days prior to the appointment that you want the eligibility verification to be checked. We recommend 2 or 3 is a good amount of time. You don't want to do it too far in advance because some policies can become inactive between the time that you've checked it and the time that the appointment occurred. So you don't want to do 7 days in advance. So we do recommend at least 2 days gives you enough time, 2 or 3 days gives you enough time to get the response back in and enough time to be able to contact the patient if it comes back inactive and you need to verify a policy number or get a new policy number or make arrangements for payment in advance. So we recommend at least 2 or 3 days. And then here where it says, do not verify patient eligibility more than once in 5 days. This is talking about if the patient within a 5-day time span has 2 appointments. So for example, if they're scheduled to come in on a Tuesday and a Thursday in the same week, do you want it to verify just the one time on a Tuesday and not on a Thursday, or do you want it to verify both days? So that's where you can establish how many times during that time frame you'll allow it to verify for the same patient. So some people want it to verify each time the patient comes in or before each appointment. You can set it to 1. If you don't want it to repeat within that same week, you can put to 5 or 7 days. And then you'll select which insurance option you want it to verify, do the eligibility verification for primary insurance, secondary, or tertiary, or all 3. And then you'll just click Save. That is going to start your eligibility task starting on this date and time that you selected. And when it starts running the task, you will see your appointments on your appointment calendar. Let me show you. So this is what your office hours calendar will look like once eligibility verification has been run. You can see that each appointment is flagged in the top right-hand corner with a green flag for the eligibility verification that has come back with active coverage, or a red X when it came back with inactive coverage, or a yellow question mark when it's come back unknown, which means either there wasn't enough information to run eligibility verification or the information was incorrect. So that is how it works. That sums it up.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.